So here in Kenya, the agreement that brought the first volunteers was signed on August 26, 1964 by then Prime Minister Jomo Kenyatta, the first president of Kenya, and one of my predecessors, William Atwood. The first volunteers arrived in December of 1964, and since then more than 5,000 volunteers have served in Kenya. Think about that for a second. More than 5,000 volunteers gave 2 years of their lives to strengthening our partnership and contributing to our humanitarian mission. What a testament it is to the U.S.-Kenya relationship and to the good we do in the world. The mission then, and still is today, is global peace and understanding. That is the foundation of the Peace Corps. But we are in uncertain times. Wars in the Middle East, Russia's illegal and full-scale invasion of Ukraine, the protracted war in Sudan, and ongoing threats of terrorism in the region, to name just a few. But I would argue that uncertain times require a response. The work these volunteers are about to dedicate themselves to in the areas of teaching and health connects our people and helps them better understand each other. They deepen the bonds of our global community, and in these uncertain times, I say, you volunteers are our response. It's been a wonderful experience. This is an incredible country, and the warmth and welcoming of the Kenyan people has been the distinguishing characteristic. And I think the country has immense potential, and I'm proud of what we've accomplished. With regard to democratic values, I think every country, including the United States, needs to constantly work to uphold those values that we share between the United States and Kenya. Kenya is the most stable democracy in East Africa. Not perfect, but America's not perfect either. So more work to do, but I want to thank the Kenyan people and the government of Kenya for my 2.5 years here.
Our current partnership with the Peace Corps Kenya has helped to address the teacher shortage in our secondary schools and primary schools for the deaf. Peace Corps works with the Ministry of Education to advocate for science, mathematics, engineering, and technology subjects. We commend the Peace Corps for being on the forefront to advocate for the education of the deaf through the promotion of early childhood literacy. The government of Kenya appreciates your partnership with the Ministry of Health in supporting the promotive and preventive health efforts at the community level. The ministry also appreciates your collaborations with health facilities to promote maternal, child, and newborn initiatives, HIV prevention through the general support of the President's Emergency Program for AIDS Relief, popularly known as the PEPFAR, and malaria prevention efforts, especially in Western Kenya, where the disease burden is very high.